So imagine you're in Photoshop, you have some text on a layer, and you want to make that text look a little bit random. So variations in font size and baseline and so on. So with a script, is that very simple. So all I need to do is, first of all, I select the layer. This has this lorem on it. Then I go to Scripts, Prime Pusify, and that gives me a dialog where I can actually choose like how much variation in the size, how much variation in the baseline. I can do like a bit more random, and that automatically generates a randomized kind of text. So it's a very simple script. Information on where to find it and how to download it can be found in the description. And in the screenshot, you also see where it is actually to be installed on a Mac.